I'm more than 13 years in the trading industry. In the beginning, I was working as a salesperson in the Forex broker company, and there I saw how many people are losing their money and why they are losing. And that's why every time I'm repeating for you guys, if you want to make money in the market, you need to have a strategy, risk management and money management. But even there, I saw why they are losing. I didn't lose this appetite to trade by myself because I saw huge potential of making profit. So then I start trading by myself. I start trading manually. I was reading lots of the books and searching there for the strategy, and also I was checking some forums for the trading strategy. After I understood I need to have some community, I need to have more people with the same mindset and we'll trade together, and I created the team. After some period of time I understood, okay, it's not so difficult to find the trading strategy. The most important to understand and to find out is it working or no. So slowly we start moving in direction of the algo trading. We were using algo trading models to do the back testing. After some period of time I understood manual trading is not the best, because even we have a strategy, we did some back test, but still we are doing some mistakes. We can lose the signal, we are not able to trade at night because people want to sleep, or for example we didn't put the stop loss in the right place. So then slowly we start creating our own trading bots based on the search strategy that we find them before. After some period of time, with the experience, ideas start coming to our minds, to our heads, and we start creating our own products, own indicators, own bots. Why I'm telling you all this story? That through all this experience, I saw lots of the strategies, we created lots of indicators, we did lots of backtests, and even I by myself, I did huge amounts of optimizations. But this bot, what I will show you today, from my personal opinion and from my own experience, this is the best product that I have ever made in my trading life. So let me show you something. I'm running this YouTube channel for more than 2 years. And for me, it's not the source of income. I'm considering as the hobby, and I'm trying to show you there everything what's happening with me in the real life. For example, when I show you the video on how to open a Forex broker, I was working on that particular project in that time. If we're talking about CPA, I was searching for CPA deal for myself. When I recorded the video about Forex broker company with the lowest spread, I was searching for this kind of bot for MQL5 signals. The same in MQL5 signals. Every time I'm showing you some top, how I'm choosing them, what I'm doing, all the research, I'm searching for signals for myself, and I'm just trying to show you, because maybe this information will help you and you will be also able to generate the money, or maybe you have some good ideas and you will push me with those kind of ideas. So I really appreciate when you messaging me in the private messages, or you are making the comments, and by the way, share video with your friends, because we'll create some community that will push all of us to make a better results. So when we will talk about this trading bot, first time I post the video about indicator that can predict, it was more than 1 year ago. It was the first attempt when we were trying to implement artificial intelligence and machine learning into the indicator. It was like we had an idea, indicator, it was the visual part, then we went for the bot. I posted the video about the bot. Later on I was posting video about some risk management, about stop loss placement, because I was searching for better stop loss placement. Later on it was the video about money management, and then I posted the video about acceleration tool, how we will push our profit to put the maximum profit with the minimum risk. This is why we are coming to the trading business. So in today's video I don't want to show you all the small details about bots. I want to just show you the main logic, what was driving me and all my team during this period of time, and what we can give it to you also, what you can test, what you can try on your own account, and I'm pretty sure that you will be happy with the result. Every day lots of the people coming to the trading industry in hope that they will make money. They relying on their skills, luck and knowledge, but everything shows when they already open positions. Why 90% of people losing their money? Because they don't know how to handle already open position. When they open position and you have some slight plus, you want to close it as soon as possible to fix it and put it to your balance. In the same time, when you are in minus, you are scaring to close it, to fix this minus, and instead of closing it, you start adding additional positions. This is why we can see a lot of the strategies with the averaging and martingale. What we did in our bot, that it's different. When it's in minus, it's closing, and this is it, and it's closing in the small profit. But when position in plus, it will add even more. It will accelerate the profit and make even more bigger. This is why we have so huge and beautiful results of the backtesting. So guys, we already record few videos about this kind of strategy, and even we create a full article with the details of artificial intelligence and machine learning methods, what we were using in creating this kind of bot. Highly recommend you to check it. Right now I'll just give you a quick recap. So we create indicator calling an arrow bar impulse, and based on machine learning we upload 20 years history of H1 chart and taking from every candle 4 prices, open, high, low, close, to learn our indicator to predict the future impulse in the market. But what we found when we start testing it, that there is some like uncertain point where the actual market price showed different kind of impulse in comparison our prediction, and we found that this is the best option to trade. What happened in the end? Here, for example, we found this kind of option. We are opening position just with 002, putting stop loss by ATR. Why ATR? Highly recommend you to check my video about stop loss placement. When it's like a stop loss, okay, done, we fix our stop loss and this is it. But when we're in plus, instead of closing it, we're trying to do acceleration, so we're adding more position, 0.2, by risking just the size of the profit that we took before from the beginning, from the opening our first position. And those kind of methods of opening position and also acceleration of the profit gave us results that just from the $200 for more than 1 year, we was able to generate $2,000 of the net profit. I think it's wow, but let me show you more results. Let's talk about profits in trading, because there are some misunderstanding points, and every day I'm receiving questions if I'll invest or if I will start trading with this much money, how much money I will be able to generate per day. The first of all, calculation of the profit like per month, because day for the trading is nothing, week for the trading is nothing, all countings doing like per month, profit per month. The second point, I'm asking those people questions: how much money are you ready to put into the risk, or how much money do you want to lose? Because risk in the trading is equal to the possibility of losing money, and your profit will be counted from the risk. Professional, it's different in comparison for this influencer trading, when they are selling you like start trading from $500 and in 3 weeks you will be able to generate 50k. Real trading, it's a bit different, so your potential of the profit, it's 1 to 3 ratio in comparison for your maximum drawdown, maximum risk that you can accept. So for example, if you're ready to lose $3,000 or put into the risk $3,000, your maximum profit in ideal kind of conditions will be just $1,000. But this is what I was thinking for a long time, how to change it, how to create some trading strategy. They will change this approach. So for example, I can invest some small amount of money even with the full risk, but I want to be able to generate in 1 month higher amount of money. I want to able to generate even 100% in 1 month. And thankful to the acceleration logic of the risk management, we really found this kind of strategy that even in 1 month you are able to generate this 100%, but in the same time your risk is 100%. But let me show you the result. When the trading strategy are ready, setup is done, risk management is there, everything depends on the proper money management, how you will run it on the real money and what will be the logic of your portfolio. So I want to show you the back test and the logic, what kind of portfolio we created and what our expectation based on the previous results. So one portfolio will be based on the currencies. Initial deposit just $500 with the 5 major currency pairs we will trade on this portfolio, and maximum risk on every currency pair, just $100. So our total risk is 100%, but how it will happen? For approximately, if the maximum risk for every currency pair will happen in the same day for all, which is also almost impossible. But let me show you the results. So for example, if we were using something like Australian dollar for the previous past result, maximum risk just $76, and the total net profit was $406. If we're talking about euro dollar, maximum risk just $95, but total net profit, was $1,239. If we're talking about pound, maximum risk just $99, but total net profit $471, which is wow, from the beginning of 2023. If we're talking about Canadian dollar, maximum risk just $68 and total net profit $533. Look at the equity chart, how smooth it is. Then if we're talking about dollar franc, total net profit $1,217 with this maximum risk $1,131. So what's the logic? One more time. If in 2023 we used this bot with initial deposit just $500, our net profit would be more than $4,000. It's around 800%, which is wow. And then I'll show you right now something spicy. What does it mean? For example, if we'll trade with this kind of strategy in the Bitcoin with initial deposit just $300, our total net profit will be $5,895 profit. Imagine $5,800, and it's more than 1000%. This is what I was trying to build for a long period of time, and this is why I'm telling you this is the best bot that I have right now, because it's worth it. You are depositing, for example, $300 or $500 with the maximum risk of 100%, but I'm targeting 1000% profit, which is smart, And then if we're talking about gold, because lots of the people are gold lovers, check again, initial deposit just $300 and total net profit $5,117. I think it's unbelievable results. Unbelievable for my personal opinion. It's already running in my Telegram channel. I'm streaming. I'm already running it on my own account, and I have already clients where I show them this result, and they told me, okay, Alex, we're ready to make a deposit. So if you want to try this bot on your own account, even with $300, we can do this for you for free. Message me and let's make money together. See you in our next videos.